feeling cold this summer with these countertop ovens? We tested more than 20, but only 5 were great. You don't necessarily need a big, hefty kitchen appliance like a wall oven to do the heavy lifting in the kitchen. The right countertop models can churn out all the power you need to complete a wide range of cooking tasks, from toasting and roasting to baking and broiling. Plus, they require a lot less power than traditional ovens, which makes them much more energy efficient. To determine which of the most popular models are truly the best, we tested and rated them on performance, ease of use, features, and more. Best overall, Oster Extra Large Digital Countertop Convection Oven. Though countertop ovens are generally more energy efficient than wall ovens or oven stove combinations, this particular model uses an extra impressive 50% less energy while still giving you great results. In our tests, it cooked a juicy meatloaf in just 45 minutes compared to an hour in a standard oven. Size is usually the big disadvantage of a countertop oven over a traditional one, but the Oster Extra Large truly lives up to its name. It can accommodate 2 16-inch pizzas, 18 slices of bread seriously, or as we discovered, a full family-sized chicken. It has a maximum temperature setting of 450 degrees, and its 90-minute timer automatically turns the oven off in case you get distracted. It's easy to use, thanks to convenient digital settings for baking, broiling, toasting, and defrosting. There's also a dedicated pizza function, as well as a warming feature, to keep food hot while the rest of your meal cooks. We were particularly fond of the glass door, since it offers a large view window to let you see what's cooking without having to open the oven, but it is a bit delicate. Another feature we adored is how easy it is to clean. The control panel is entirely digital, so there are no dials, knobs, or crevices to collect dirt and grease. The bottom line is, any family would be hard-pressed to find a more spacious option with higher efficiency. Best Smart Oven. Breville BOV 845 BSS Smart Oven. Though you'll pay a hefty price for this countertop oven, it's well worth the money. The 1,800 watts of power and optional convection heating help to roast meat, toast bread, and bake in less time than traditional countertop ovens. The smart heating system provides more consistent power, so your food is cooked to perfection each time. Altogether, this model boasts 9 different preset cooking functions, including a slow cook option that can cook food for up to 10 hours. We were impressed by the LCD screen and tested the various cooking functions by making pizzas, casseroles, cinnamon rolls, and homemade pies, with each test coming out perfectly. It also outperformed expectations when it came to baking cookies, which are notorious for cooking unevenly in small oven spaces. You can even modify the presets to customize any function. This machine has an interior light that automatically turns on when the door is open, and it even comes with a baking and broiling tray, as well as a nonstick pizza pan. If you're worried about this multifunctional oven looking clunky in your kitchen, we found the stainless steel exterior attractive, and it has an unexpectedly low profile that makes the appliance look sleek and modern, not bulky. Plus, you could always opt for the mini version if you're short on space. Best Splurge Oven. Brava Countertop Oven. With the most basic model costing over $1,000, this a big-time splurge, but for those willing to pay the price for convenience, it's a worth the one. Inside the Brava, your dishes get cooked to perfection by 6 high-powered halogen lamps that heat to 500 degrees in less than a second. That's right, the Brava cooks by using light. We found that we could also cook 2 different dishes at different temperatures at the same time, which quickly became a favorite feature. The oven has 3 zones, each with 2 lamps that can be customized individually and really can maintain separate temperatures in separate zones. Another big highlight for us was the custom cook function. You can essentially create your own cooking presets, which help the oven learn your household's culinary preferences. Brava's compatible app is helpful for sharing recipes with friends via text or social media. You can download custom meal programs from the user library, and your phone will notify you before cooking is complete. Lastly, we found that customer service is quick with answering any questions. Plus, there's a Facebook group for additional support. Best with air frying. Cuisinart To Eminence 60-watt convection air fryer toaster oven. It may surprise you to learn that some of the best air fryers aren't dedicated air fryers, but countertop ovens with air frying functionality. Such is the case with this model by Cuisinart, which fries food to that golden brown, crispy perfection using super hot air circulated by an ultra-powerful fan. Choosing a model like this one is a wise choice for anyone with limited counter space, as it combines two appliances in one, but it's also a great option for families. Traditional air fryers typically don't offer enough space to cook for more than 2 people, but this cook up to 3 pounds of food at once. We found this to be one of the most compact versions of air fryer/oven combos, and it performs exceptionally well as both. It does run a little hot, so even though French fries and chicken tenders came out golden and tasty, a few were a little too well done. When roasting chickens, to test for versatility, this model produced a crispy skin bird that was also delicious and juicy. The controls are all manual, and the inside was a bit tricky to clean, but we found it a very worthy purchase. Ninja's P351 Foodie Smart 13-in-1 Dual Heat Air Fry Countertop Oven. Air frying. To be blunt, it's not the best air fryer on the market, but it's also far from the worst. The digital air fry oven air fries unevenly, and food prepared from scratch seemed baked, not fried. On the website, the manufacturer claims it can air fry 4 pounds of food at once. While we could pile up that amount of fries in the air fry basket, the loaded basket couldn't fit in the oven at the rack position recommended for air frying. Toasting. The Ninja Air Fry Oven can accommodate 9 slices of packaged bread without squishing them, and it can toast them fairly evenly, too. When used to toast 2 slices, it gives impressive results, browning exceptionally evenly. It does, however, toast to a golden brown shade on both the light and medium settings, so it could be a disappointment if you like your toast only lightly browned. It has a special bagel toasting setting, and it browns bagel halves very uniformly. Air roasting goal. Ninja recommends using the oven to air roast sheet pan dinners with a protein, vegetables, and spices. After following the oven booklet's recipe for spicy chicken, sweet potatoes, and broccoli, I was impressed with the result. All of the ingredients, about 3 pounds in total, came out lightly browned and tender in just 22 minutes. It made for a tasty sheet pan dinner for 4. Baking. You're not going to be able to fit an entire loaf or bundt pan in this Ninja, but you can use it to bake a cake or muffins in a shallow pan, or small items like cookies right on the sheet pan. Biscuits baked up just as well as from a full-size oven. Air broiling. Chicken breasts came out juicy and browned on both sides in just 20 minutes. However, even when cooked well done, steaks looked gray on the outside and in no way resembled broiled or grilled meat. So, while this oven is fast, it can't consistently deliver the kind of searing you expect from broiling. Dehydrating. Although its wide air fry basket holds more food than the ones in a typical air fryer or the racks in a toaster oven, the Ninja is still only able to dry a small amount of food. After running the dehydrator for 10 hours, I was rewarded with a small bowl of banana chips. At least the machine kept quiet as it worked. Is the Ninja Foodie digital air fry oven worth it? Yes. If you're looking for an air fryer and a toaster oven, this product is definitely worth your consideration if you're in the market for an air fryer toaster oven. It's an excellent toaster and a fair air fryer. The only real drawbacks are that it has a large footprint on your countertop and can't roast a whole chicken. If you have the counter space and are in the habit of buying rotisserie chickens at the supermarket, we say go for it. We do recognize that it's not an inexpensive appliance, but it costs less than the Breville and Cuisinart ovens that are its main competitors. If you decide to spring for it,